Nigutumukite ndugamano gatagati ga kambuni igiri cia wendia wa ngari na ruhonge rwa NMS kiharo-ini kia Luna Park thutha wao kumomorerwo kuria mendagiria ngari utuku wa gukia umuthi. Kuringana na ene kambuni ici, mwambĩrĩrio wa mwaka ũyũ ni maheirwo rũtha rwa gukombora kiharo kiu kwa ihinda rĩa miaka 9, makĩũria munene wa NMS uria mabatie ni gwika. Badi uria utanahitha marakara make kumana na kĩũria kiu amerire mathie magetetera igoti-ini gũkũ akihinyĩrĩria thirikari ndĩngĩcenjia itua rĩayo.
We have been given a legal lease for 9 years, and these guys started giving us letters last week on Thursday. Even the president was here and he promised us that nothing is going to be disturbed. They're going to put a road. We never knew that they're going to put a terminus here. What we did is we said, let's be given letters. We send our representative to the scheme to be given official document, to be given a 1-month notice to move, and we are ready to move. We are not against what the government is doing.
That will be settled in court. I'm sure you have your lawyers. You will go to court, and that will be settled in court.
I don't expect that. I was expecting that the DG tells us that we need to come sit down and have a dialogue, you know. We talk on how we are going to be compensated.
Ojoria ya moigete notithi iria maraheirwo irare njerere amu maraheirwo thaa 10 cia hwaini muthenya wa ira ikimahe mathaa 8 tu makorwo meherete. Badi akiuga kiharo giki gitibatie gukorwo gikirutithio biacara teyo.
The government is working at night. Night belongs to the devil. If you follow the night, you are going to the devil. We pay taxes in daylight, but the government comes and destroys our properties at night. Yesterday we left here at 9 because you are given the notice 8 hours at 5. And at 9 there is a curfew.
Business community, remember, this is Luna Park is supposed to be a green area for people to enjoy, not a business to sell cars. That can be established anywhere. If you have a lease, you will be refunded your lease. What is the problem?
Tukiaraniria na amwe ao moigete matiraregana na itua ria thirikari no ni mabatie kuonio kuria meguthie na mariho hathara iria mathiete amwe maikarite ihinda rinyiire mwaka umwe na mariheire miaka 9.
We are asking the government, we are not opposed with the development that the government is doing. They are decongesting the city. It is good. We have the express highway that is going to Westlands. That is good. But why are we not being considered as the local manainchi who are doing business?
We had an investment that we had made. There is money that we had pumped into this. We've been good citizens that we pay taxes. Monthly, as Daiwan, we pay taxes worth 18 million in a month. So the only thing that we are requesting the government is to consider us.
Kiharo giki riu gigitanywo gwakwo thiteji ya ngari cia barabara ya Mombasa na barabara ya Ngong iria iretagwo Green Light itanyini ria kunyihia muhatikano tauni-ini ya Nairobi. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV getwo Waithĩra wa Kĩhara.